Oh, hello. So, ladies, I heard we got a new listing today.
We do. It's right here in the East Vancouver area. It's 15 minutes away from YVR Airport, Richmond, 15 minutes from downtown, 15 minutes from Burnaby as well. It's the perfect holding property while you move in and wait for the city to rezone the area into multiplexes.
Wow, sounds like a great property. Tell me inside about it.
This is a 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom detached house that also comes with a mortgage helper. And guess how much you can earn from the rental income?
How much?
You can earn more than $3,200 of rental income.
Wow, that sounds really good.
It's also a 33 by 98 feet lot. It's got front lane and back lane access as well as a detached garage.
Wow, okay.
And we can't wait to give you the first look of the house.
All right, let's go in and take a look.
Welcome to this beautiful 3-story home located in the Kensington Cedar Cottage neighborhood of Vancouver. This main floor consists of a bright and airy living room that transitions into your separate dining area, as well as a spacious U-shaped kitchen that offers plenty of counter and cabinet space, perfect for prepping delicious meals daily. This level also has your primary bedroom and bathroom, and upstairs features 2 bedrooms, while downstairs has your very own 2-bedroom separate entry suite that is a great mortgage helper. The location of this home is unmatched, with Mackenzie Elementary and John Oliver High School within catchment. This home offers so many conveniences of city living, plus it's just a short drive to downtown, Richmond, and Burnaby. Everything you need is right at your doorstep.
If you're looking for an investment property where you can live in and get cash flow, or you're looking for a home where you can build your dream property and have future rezoning potential, this is the perfect property for you. My name is Denise.
My name is Ann Pham.
My name is Malika Wadira.
And we're more than happy to set up a private viewing with you or send you more information.